Right now, there is a machine so far away that if you said good morning to it today, you wouldn't hear back until the day after tomorrow. It has been flying for 49 years. It is powered by less electricity than the bulb in your fridge, and it is still talking to us. September 5th, 1977, NASA launched a probe on what was meant to be a 4-year mission, just Jupiter and Saturn. They took advantage of a planetary alignment that happens once every 176 years. One launch could visit them all. It discovered rings around Jupiter, new moons, volcanoes on a moon called Io, the first ever seen beyond Earth, and then it just kept going. But before it left, we bolted something to its side, a message in case anyone ever finds it. A gold-plated record, greetings in 55 languages, music from across the earth. The sound of a kiss, a mother's first words to her child, a human heartbeat. And a map showing exactly where Earth is drawn in the language of pulsars. A letter to the future thrown into the dark. In 1990, from 6 billion kilometers away, it turned its camera around one last time and photographed home. That speck is everyone who has ever lived. Then the cameras were switched off forever to save power. Here's the part that stops people cold. The software to run those cameras no longer exists on Earth. The computers that understood it are gone. Even if we wanted to look back again, we no longer can. August 25, 2012, Voyager 1 crossed the heliopause, the boundary where the sun's wind ends and interstellar space begins. The first human object ever to leave the sun's bubble. It is now over 25 billion kilometers away, moving at 17 kilometers every second. But Voyager is dying slowly, deliberately. Its nuclear batteries lose about 4 watts every year, so for decades engineers have been switching it off piece by piece. A heater here, an instrument there. Of 11 instruments, only 4 remain. And in November 2026, it crosses a line no object has ever reached, 1 full light day from Earth. From that moment on, a command sent to Voyager takes 24 hours to arrive, and a full day to answer. If you say good morning, Voyager, on Monday, it answers on Wednesday. By the early 2030s, its power will finally fall too low. The instruments will go quiet, and Voyager will fall silent, drifting forever. But here's what gives people chills. Last year, a group of amateur astronomers, volunteers with a radio telescope built in 1956, reached out into the dark. And heard it, Voyager's faint heartbeat from 25 billion kilometers away. Proof it's still there, still going, against every odd. It was built for 4 years, it has flown for 49. It will outlive every person watching this, every city, maybe every civilization. Long after we are gone, it will still be out there, carrying a golden record, a map back to a pale blue dot, and one faint, fading beep. The universe isn't finished being drawn, and neither is Voyager's journey. Every sketch in this cosmos starts the same way. One dot, one line, one story. If this one earned it, hit like and watch it launch. Ring the bell, it beeps, that's our Sputnik. It'll tell you the moment the next sketch reaches orbit. And when you subscribe, you become one more dot in the Sketchcosmos sky. One sketch every week. The universe isn't finished being drawn.